How to get stars and points on Starbucks app. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you the process or the steps and how you get more stars in order for you to redeem your rewards. So you can see at the home page here, this is showing how many stars you have obtained, but in order for you to get more information on how you'll be able to get more stars on the Starbucks app, you can actually go to your profile that's on the upper left corner of the screen, and you will be able to see their Starbucks rewards. Click on Starbucks rewards, and then here you can click on benefits and click on the rewards program. You'll be able to see here there are a few processes wherein you can collect stickers and a lot of process. So here, first that you need to do is to create an account here with the Starbucks application. Once you have the application, you need to order and pay with your credit or debit card, or you can also pay using the Starbucks app. Once you pay with these processes, you will be able to obtain stars. So here, if you use a card or Starbucks card or a mobile app, you'll get 1 star. And if you order from Starbucks, grab food for an amount of 25 or 40 pesos, you get another star. And it actually provides you a lot of process, but it differs from what location you're in or from what country you're from. So you can simply go to Starbucks rewards program and you'll be able to see details and how you will be able to get stars from your Starbucks. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!